Trade recap March the 31st. Today I'm down 1 hour and the recent trading days haven't been gone too well, to be honest. I think I'm down on the month of March and it has been a pretty tough trading, to be honest. And the reason for that was just because the market isn't like really respecting the areas. And I'm also using maybe a bit of a too wide stop, but that's totally okay. Those downward moves can happen. And yeah, let's take a look at what the market has given us today. Basically, the first and only trade I've taken was this one here. Why? Why? Because you can see that they tried to extend higher, to expand and to get like into those new balance areas here. They were trying to accumulate here somewhere around here, and I thought they really want to hold it here, and they basically just, where is it? They basically just didn't. Why was I interested in this area? There was like this accumulation, this higher high grind, until they broke this support area here, or resistance once, and now it turned into a good support, and they made like a new higher high from here. They were once coloring like those ultra oversold signals, and I thought they want to try to go higher. They want to hold this area. After I saw this divergence indicator and the negative delta bars being printed, I thought, yeah, now it's the time to enter. But yeah, overall they failed and they knifed through. I was waiting for this area here again, but I just didn't get filled. It was an interesting area as well, because based on this profile 6447, you can see we were touching like this high volume area once more, and based on this here we were nearby the low volume area 6447, and I thought they want to go a little bit lower, maybe like really in this low volume, but they stopped somewhere around here, and I didn't want to aggressively enter this trade because I just wasn't too sure about that after we had this continuous sell-off event here. We haven't been in this area for a long time. Yeah, we were a little bit below the lows here, but I wanted just to see them a little bit lower. Ultimately, they have risen like crazy from down there with some news, as you guys saw here, because Trump announced something about the possible end of war. But yeah, that's for the March today. I'm definitely down the March. I have been down in February as well, so like 2 losing months in a row. But I won't get down by that. It's a tough environment to trade. Maybe like if this continues to be like that, I will try to adjust my stop to a 10 point. And yeah, let's see us in the next trade recap.